Hi children. In the previous class we discussed about that ascending order. No children? Ascending order means we arrange the numbers smallest to biggest. No? Now today we discuss about the descending order. What ma? Descending order. In the previous class ascending order no we discussed about. Now today we discuss about the descending order. What ma? Descending. D-E-S C-E-N D-I-N-G descending. Say again. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G descending order. O-R-D-E-R descending order. Descending order means we arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. What ma? Biggest to smallest. Here we arrange the descending order is biggest to smallest. Biggest number to smallest number we arrange the numbers. No? Now we are seeing in the ascending order we arrange that smallest to biggest. But here in the descending order we arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. See here. You are going like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like that. We are going to the biggest number to smallest number. Here I brought the picture some, first one. It's the tallest tree. No? Nice. Here, some smallest. Say this one. And here. See there. Means how we are going that descending order means biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. See here this is the big and this one is a little bit small and here this is a little bit small. This is smaller than this tree and this is smaller than this tree and this is smaller than this tree. Means how we arrange that descending order means biggest to smallest we arrange. Here see, I got again apartment. See there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 apartments. In this 9 apartments. 9 apartments, not 9 flats. 9 floors are there in this apartment. What ma? In this apartment, 9 floors. How many floors there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 floors. Now here I am giving some numbers. 7, 6, 1 and 3. Here I am giving 4, 7, 6, 1 and 3. See here, in this you arrange these numbers descending order. You arrange these numbers in the descending order. Descending order means big number to small number you arrange. Here see that in these numbers, which is the big number ma? See the big number means the after numbers are the big 7 is the big number. Why? Because 7. Why? Because 7 is the big number. Because here 1 is small. 1 and the bigger than 3 is the also small. And the 4. 4 is bigger than 3. First one, see the 1 is bigger than 0. No, here I am not giving the 0 number. But here 1 is bigger than 0. And after 3 is bigger than 1. Now 4 is bigger than 3. And the 6 is bigger than 4. And here 7 is bigger than 6. See here. 2 is bigger than 1. 3 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 3. Like that you are going, no? So here which is the big number? 7 is the big number. First you write as a 7. Next 7 after what is there? 6. 7 before which number is there? 6, no? So you write as a 6. Next 6 before which number? Before numbers are the small numbers. Now we already discussed in the previous classes. The before numbers are the small numbers and the after numbers are the big numbers. Now we are going to descending order, means big number to small number. So first here the 7 is the big number. Now we are going to next 6 is smaller than 7. No, see here 6 is smaller than 7. Okay, 7 kanna 6 chinnadi. Avuna? So you write as a 6 here. Next which number is smaller than? Yeah, 6 before 5, not there. 5 before? Yes, 4. So you arrange 4 here. Next 4 before which number? Yeah, 3. Now going to 3. Next, which one is the remaining number? 1. So 3 before 2. 2 not there. Next, what is that? 2 before 1. So you write 1 like this. Means that you arrange these numbers big number to small number. Now see here 7 is the big number. Now 6 is smaller than 7. Avuna? 6 7 kanna chinnadi. Next దాని తర్వాత 4 6 కన్నా చిన్నది. అంతే కదా? నెక్స్ట్ 3 4 కన్నా చిన్నది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 3 కన్నా చిన్నది. సో యు అరేంజ్ దట్ big number to small number. Means you arrange that biggest number to smallest number. Next one. I'll give one more example. Here, what's the number? 9, 6, 0, 2 and 5. Here what the numbers are there? 9, 6, 0, 2 and 5. Now we arrange these numbers descending order. We arrange these numbers descending. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. We arrange the numbers big number to small number. See here, which is the big number in this? See this apartment. In this apartment there are 9 floors. Which floor is the big one? Which is the highest floor? See that this is the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor, seventh floor, eighth floor, and this is the 9th floor. The top of there, which floor is there? 9. So which is the highest number? 9 is the, so 9. You write first one 9. 9 is the, in this numbers 9 is the big number. Next one 9 before 8. 8 before 7. So 7 now. 7 before which number? 6. So 6 is smaller than 9. 6 is smaller than 9. No? Next 6 before which number? Yeah, 5. 6 is before 5. So 5 is smaller than 6. 5 is smaller than 6. Next 5 before 4. 4 before 3. 3 before 2. So here 2. Next one, 2 is smaller than 5. No? Next one, which is a 0. So here write as a 0. Means big number to small number. We arrange the descending order. Big number to small number. See here 9 is the big number. So you put as a 9 here. Next, in this 9, which is the small? 9 kanna chinnadi kemundi? 5 undi. Mari 5 kanna 6 kuda peddadi kada. See there? So you write as a 6. Next, 6 kanna small. Next, 5. 5 kanna small? 2. 2 kanna small? 0. 0 means nothing. No? Now, see here. I'll give you next one. Next one, 12, 10, 16, here 14. You know the numbers. You know the numbers, my children? Now, what is the numbers here? 11, 12, 10, 16, and here 14. 11, 12, 10, 16, 14. The numbers are there here, no? In this number, which is the big number? 11 is the big number, 12 is the big number, or 10 is the big number, 16 is the big number, or 14 is the big number. Which number is the big number, ma? 16. Yeah, very good. How you tell 16 is the big number? Because the 16 after, 14 after, 15. 15 after 16. So now the 16 is the biggest, and in this number, in this 5 numbers, the 16 is the biggest number. So you write as the first 16 here. Now see here, 16 means the after numbers are the big numbers. Here 11 is there, 12 is there, 13 not 14, 14 is there, 15, 16. So 16 is the biggest number. Now you are going to next. 16 before 14 not there. Next, 16 before 15. 15 before 14. So 14 is smaller than 16. Like that only, no? See that 14. Why you like here 14 only? Because these 11, 12, 10 are smaller than 14. No children? First you write as a big number. First 16. Next, 16 kind of small only. Yeah, 14 is there now, but 10 are very small. These numbers are smaller than 14. No children? So you write as a 14. Next, 14 before 13. 13 before 12. So you write as a 12. Next, 12 before 11. And 11 before 10. That means your regular descending order is big number to small number. See that the 16 is a big number. 16 before 16, 14 is smaller than 16. Like that only now. 14 or 16 kana small. Next 12, 14 kana small. Next 11, 12 kana small. Next 10, 11 kana small. Ante kada మనం arrange చేస్తాం. Big number నుంచి small number కి arrange చేస్తాం. అవునా children? Now $18, $20, $17, and I am going to give as 59. Now see that 13, 18, 20, 17, and this is 15. Here what the numbers are there? 13 is there, 18, 20, 17 and 15. Now in these numbers, which is the big number? Tell me ma, which is the big number? Yeah, here 13 is very small. 13 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, yeah, 20. 20 is the big number. These 5 numbers, 20 is the biggest number. So you write first one 20 here. Next 20 before. Yeah, 20 can I use small? What number is there? Yeah, 17. Now 17 is not there. Why? Because 18 is bigger than 17. No. So first you write as a 18. Next 18 before 17. Next 17 before 14. Not there. 14 before 15. That is a 15. Next, what is the last number? Yeah, 13. You write as a 13. Means 13 is smaller than 15. Like that, no? 13 is 20. First is the 20 is the biggest number. And 20 before number 19. 19 before 18. So 18 is smaller than 20. No? 18 is smaller than 20. Next one. 17 is smaller than 18. 17 is smaller than 18. Next, 15 is smaller than 17. Next, 13 is smaller than 15. Like that, no means first this is the 20 is the biggest number. 20 cannot small in the 18. 18 cannot small 17 because 17 cannot 18 is the biggest number. No. Next, 15. Next, 13. You are right like this. Descending order is the biggest number to smallest number. What mark? Biggest number to smallest number. I'll give you one more example. Do you understand, children? What is the descending order? Descending order means to arrange the numbers biggest number to smallest number. What mark? Descending order is biggest number to smallest number. Now I'll give one more example. 29. I'm giving here 29. And here 19. Next one 21. And next one I'll give it as a 16. Now here see that. Here I am giving very big numbers. What is this number? 22. And here what is this number? 29. And this number? 19. This is 21. And this is 16. Now 22, 29, 19, 21 and 16. Here I am giving the numbers. Now in these numbers, which is the big number? See here. And which is the big number? How to identify which is the big number? 22 is the big number, 29 is the big number, 19 is the big number, 21 is the big number or 16 is the big number. So in these numbers, all these numbers, 16 is a very small. Now 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20. You are going like that 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yeah, here the big number is in these 5 numbers. 29 is the very big number. So you write as a 29. 29 is the big number. So you can see that one. Write as a 29. So how you identify this? The 29 is the biggest number now. Means you count the numbers after numbers. Yeah, 16, 17, 18 like that you are going to after numbers. Then you can easily identify, yeah, 29 is the biggest number. So you write 29. Next, 29 before numbers. Yeah, 29. That's the next one, which is the small number. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. Yeah, 22. You count as the before numbers. Yeah, 22. Next you are going like that. Yeah, 22. Next, 22 before? 22 before which number? 21. Yeah, you write as a 21. Next, 21 before? 20. 20 before? 19. So, 19 you write like this. Now, the remaining number, what is the remaining number here? 16. See here. Why in these numbers, you identify easily as a 29 is the biggest number. You write 29. Next, you are going to before numbers now. Yeah, 22 is smaller than 29. Now children, 22 is smaller than 29. అంటే 29 కన్నా 22 చిన్నది. దానికన్నా ఇంకా స్మాల్ 21. నెక్స్ట్ 21 కన్నా స్మాల్ 19. 19 కన్నా స్మాల్ 16. Now you arrange like that. Biggest number to smallest number. That is the descending order. Now children, you understood what is the descending order means? Descending order is to arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. You simply practice more times. Then only first one ascending. Ascending order is to arrange smallest to biggest. In this descending order, you arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. More times you are practicing, you can easily you have to identify. This in ascending means smallest to biggest you have to arrange. Descending means biggest to smallest you have to arrange like that. No, this is the class number. Next after we are going to the next lessons. Okay, na children? Bye.